Welcome to Currency Watch. This is Chris Keene from akeenpointofview.com. We had a bit of a quiet day of trading in North America, and that has been the case as of norm for Mondays recently. And this slow trading could continue over to Tuesday into early European trading Wednesday, when we finally have the release from the German Constitutionality Court of the constitutionality of the ESM mechanisms. This could add a little bit of action and volatility into the majors, specifically the Euro crosses. And then on Thursday we have the FOMC meeting, which could definitely change things with the introduction of quantitative easing, or possibly just remaining on the sideline once again and pushing quantitative easing out into the horizon. What we're going to look at tonight, though, are four pairs that could be active in tonight's trading without very much news. First pair we're going to look at is the USDJPY, just because it's been trading in a very narrow range, and I believe that if the pair moves down towards the bottom of the range at in the 78 area, we could definitely have buyers reemerge to push the pair back up towards the top of its trading range over the next few days at the 79.15 level. What you have to keep in mind with this pair is that it's trading basically on interest rate expectations regarding quantitative easing. If there's any suggestions that quantitative easing is more likely to be announced during the FOMC meeting, the pair will push lower, and we could see a break of the 78 level. But every time there's some sort of bit of information that diminishes the possibility of additional easing, the pair could move back up towards the 79.15 area. It'll drift higher. The next pair we're going to watch is the USD-CAD, just because you can see the CAD broke through the 98 level, which would have been critical holding the pair higher over the last all the way about the last year. The 98 level was the lows, and now the pair is trying to move up towards move down towards the 97.25 area, which would be another new yearly low. But if the pair can move back above the 98 level and hold above there, we could see a push back up, generally initially through the first level of resistance at 98.40 towards the 99.50. So what I'm watching in this pair is this 98 zone to see if we can move back and break above, or if we do just bounce back down below, there could be an opportunity to go short towards the 97.25 area. And another pair of interest is just the Aussie USD, because you can see on this downfall it moved up perfectly to test the 0.618 fib from the most recent drop around the 104 area, and has reversed. Now the pair has been consolidating over the last 16 hours of trading around the 50 fib at 103.5. 103.50 relatively. It'll be interesting to see if we can get a break or hold to either side of this. If we get a break, which it looks like it's trying to play out right now, we could initially move down to test the 102.80 level. But if we get a hold here, we could see a push back up into this old consolidation zone between 105.30 and 104.10. But I would expect the pair to remain in a narrow range over the next day or so. So it would be interesting to see if we move down towards the 0.382 fib at 103.08, and we could just bounce around between these fib levels. So it's just something to keep your eye on. And the last pair I'm watching is the Euro USD, because you can see the Euro USD moved up the test resistance perfectly at 128.20, and it's slowly been grinding down slower. It'll be in Asian trading. I'm going to keep my eye on the 127.50 level, see if that holds for a bounce higher, or we could see it to a retest down to 126.90 and watch the price action there to see how the pair reacts. That is it. The data out of Asia and Europe is relatively quiet tonight, nothing of major significance, so keep your eyes on the price action. This is Chris Keene from A Keen Point of View. Remember to keep your trades keen and play it safe.